I'm Gauri Devidayal. I'm the co-founder of the Food Matters Group. You can tell when something isn't natural. You can tell when something's synthetic. Just like what you consume and then goes inside your body is so important to you, so is what you put on it. Our skin is our biggest organ at the end of the day, and what we've put on it is as important as what goes. It means a lot to me to know that there is emphasis on quality, on, of course, the process as well. This applies across the board with any kind of natural product where the quality of the ingredients can make all the difference. It goes back to that question of trust. Certain fragrance that no matter where you are in the world just transports you back home immediately, and for me that's mogra or jasmine. It just brings back childhood memories, whether it's weddings or just something that we would have by our bedside at night. It's a fragrance that I associate India with beauty, and it transports me here instantly, no matter where I am in the world.